Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 8th, 2023. Well, we remain in this dangerous environment where we have a lot of smoke in the atmosphere. In fact, when you take a look at some of the symbols here with our weather symbols on the surface map, this right here, this line here, and then the squiggly line, that means smoke. And really, that really should be showing up in a lot of these observations here, but some of it's mixed with haze symbol, smoke signal. You kind of get the idea here. Visibility is below 3 miles in throughout the entire region, aside from northern Connecticut, where we start to get out of the worst of the smoke. But you can see the poor conditions are in place. Temperatures throughout the region range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid 50s in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas with just an unsettled environment and a dangerous environment. We do have a few showers and even an isolated thunderstorm popping up throughout the region, but nothing's really significantly reaching the ground, no significant rainfall. Just to kind of show you the environment that we are in, this is from gispub.epa.gov, and you can find it if you Google air quality. It'll pop right up in the top, and you can get this for the entire country. I zoomed into the Northeast, and you can see in this case the oranges and reds are unhealthy. The purples are basically hazardous, okay? And you can actually zoom in. You can literally type in your address to zoom in exactly how bad it is outside. Anything in orange, you should try to stay indoors as much as possible. And when you're talking about purple, I mean, that is as bad as it can possibly get. So this is a serious situation. I hope you do not take this lightly, as it could have serious problems with breathing. It can cause scarring of the lungs, because remember, it's not just the wood from a forest, right? But there's also houses that have been burnt down. So God knows within some of these houses, especially older ones, you could have asbestos, metal, different types of plastics, and you're breathing all that into your lungs, which is not good. It can create a lot of problems for you. So please stay indoors as much as possible. If you have kids, keep them indoors, and maybe even keep them home from school, to be frank, because this is some pretty significant stuff. So, you know me, I'm not one for, hyperbole and hype and whatnot, but this is pretty concerning, okay? So this is the 850 millibar map, and I wanted to show you this because it will show you exactly why this smoke is coming into the region. And these mid-level winds are all rotating around, and the upper-level winds are doing the same here. So you're taking all this smoke that is billowing here and rotating around. And so when we take a look at our model guidance here, you can see that smoke just rotating right in, making for some hazardous conditions. And, in my opinion, it's just best to stay indoors, right, until this all passes. Now, we have these troughs moving through, and we have some of these isolated showers and thunderstorms. You can see there's one popping up right here. Remember what I said yesterday? I'm more concerned about the lightning threat than I am about a heavy rainfall out of these showers and thunderstorms. And a lot of this is not reaching the ground. So yeah, you could get a bit of a sprinkle out of this, but I'd really watch out for any type of lightning that starts to develop, and we'll keep an eye on that with our observation tools. Luckily, right now, nothing really showing up, but you can see what can happen in this environment. You get a trough moving through, an isolated shower or thunderstorm pops up as a result because of the environment that we are in. Let me go to our visible satellite picture. This is all smoke. This is additional cloud cover over the smoke. So you can see if we just had no smoke, it'd be a sunny day out there. Beautiful out. But because of all this haze, you can see, and then there's our thunderstorm that popped up over southern New Jersey that is marching its way through. On the infrared satellite picture, you see there's the upper level low. We need this to leave to end this environment, and it looks like that's going to start to take shape Saturday night into Sunday. That's going to allow the winds coming in more from the west-southwest and eventually southwest on Sunday. It's also going to mean a spike in temperatures, but we'll be able to drive a lot of this smoke back out into the Atlantic, and we won't get any more of the smoke feeding into the region from Quebec, because we'll lose our northwesterly and northerly winds. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Again, hazy, dangerous. Temperatures today will range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, mid 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow, again, watch out for that smoky haze. Hazardous conditions remain. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, watch out for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, we start to see a bit of an improvement in the air quality. Still unhealthy, still a bit hazardous out there, but improving with, again, an isolated shower or thunderstorm threat. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, we see that shift in the wind direction at all levels of the atmosphere. The winds shift to the southwest. We start to clear out some of the smoke. The atmospheric conditions start to improve. But with that, we also get much warmer air invading the region and temperatures begin to spike. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s throughout the region. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior. Mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Mid to upper 70s around Long Island, and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. So, again, much warmer, and if you head towards the Delaware River Valley, much better weather conditions. On Monday, a cold front will slowly approach, with increasing cloud cover and showers and thunderstorms becoming more and more of a threat, especially as you head towards the evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, that cold front moved through. Now, this looks like a cold front passage more in the morning. So look for showers and thunderstorms becoming widespread late Monday night, continuing on through Tuesday morning, and slowly clearing out on Tuesday afternoon. This is a slow-moving cold front, so I'm kind of expecting waves of showers and thunderstorms, but not everyone will get the heaviest rainfall. Still, this is going to be the best potential for region-wide rainfall we've seen in quite some time. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, a trough moves through with some isolated showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. Overall, we're going to be dealing with a mix of sun and clouds, with low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s, and high temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and mid 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, another trough passes on through with the threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. For the most part, a mix of sun and clouds are expected. And oh, by the way, at this point, air quality is significantly better. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and please stay safe out there.